morning, children. How are you all? Here I am with the next video of Civics, chapter number 6, Understanding Media. Now children, before we proceed, let us understand what is the meaning of the word media. Media is actually the plural form of the word medium. Medium means any sources through which we can transfer information from one person to another person or from one person to many people. All comes under the category of media. Let us take one example. Now suppose if I have a bucket full of water and I have made a paper boat. I just want to save this paper boat on water. Now this water will act as a medium through which this paper boat can sail on water. Children, there are two different types of media. Personal media and mass media. Now suppose if one person is talking to another person, that will come under the category of personal media. Letters, mobile phones, landline phones, all comes under personal media. Now suppose if one person's voice is reaching to so many people, our Prime Minister's voice, his speech is reaching to so many people all around. So this will come under the category of mass media. The examples of mass media are newspapers, internet, television, radio, etc. Children, now let us discuss about the role of media. Media plays a very important role in the process of development. It also provides various modes through which we can express our views in the society. We can communicate in the society. It also provides information and education to many people. Provides modes through which we can express our views and opinion on any topic. It really plays a very important role in the country like India, where we have the freedom to express our opinion and views as we follow democratic rule.
Children, now let us understand the relationship between media and technology. It would probably be difficult for you to imagine your life without media. But do you know? Cable televisions and the widespread use of the internet is a recent phenomenon. These have been around for less than 20 years. The technology that mass media uses keeps changing. Newspapers, television, and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. We also tend to discuss newspapers and magazines as the print media and TV and radio as the electronic media. Changing technology or machines and making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. It also improves the quality of sound and the images that you see. But technology does more than this. It also changes the way in which we think about our lives. For example, today it is quite difficult for us to think of our life without television, isn't it? Television has enabled us to think of ourselves as the members of a larger global world. Television images travel huge distances through satellites and cables. This allows us to view news and entertainment channels from other parts of the world. Most of the cartoons that you see on television are mostly from Japan or United States. We can now be sitting in Chennai or Jammu and can see the images of storm that has hit the coast of Florida in the United States. Television has brought the world closer to us. Now let us discuss about our next topic, media and money. The different technologies that mass media use are expensive. Just think about the TV studio in which the newsreader sits. It has lights, cameras, sound recorders, transmission satellites, etc., all of which cost a lot of money. In a news studio, it is not only the newsreader who needs to be paid, but also a number of other people who help to put the broadcast together. This includes those who look after the cameras and lights. Also, as you read earlier, the technologies that mass media use keeps changing, and so a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. Due to these, the mass media needs a great deal of money to do its work. As a result, most television channels and newspapers are part of big business houses. Mass media is constantly thinking of ways to make money. One way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile phones, etc. You must have noticed the number of advertisements that you have to see while watching your favorite television show. While watching a cricket match on TV, the same advertisement are shown repeatedly between each over, and so you are often watching the same image over and over again. As you will read in the following chapter, advertisements are repeated in the hope that you will go out and buy what is advertised.
Children, this is all for today. We will discuss more about this chapter in the next video. Till then, goodbye.